In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase maximum upload file size in WordPress. If you're using WordPress.com and you see an error when uploading a large file, it usually means your site's current plan caps the per file limit and total storage. The fix is to upgrade your site plan or add storage. First, go to WordPress.com, open Sites, and select the site you want to manage. In the left menu, click Plan. Click through each plan to see what's included. Free, Personal, Premium, Business, Commerce, and Enterprise. As you move up, you unlock higher upload limits, more storage, and extra features. Focus on the media and storage details on each plan. That's where upload size limits are shown. Below the plans, you'll also see storage add-ons. Click the 50 GB option to view details, and the 50 GB plus 350 GB option to compare. These add-ons expand your media library capacity. Remember, the per file limit and your total storage are different. Upgrading the plan usually raises the per file cap, while add-ons expand how much you can store. Once you've found the right fit, click Upgrade to lock in your selection and move to Checkout. On the Checkout screen, click Checkout to continue. Choose how you want to be billed and toggle between month, 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years to compare pricing and pick what fits your budget. Longer terms often include a discount. Enter your contact information carefully so your receipt and support details are correct. If you see a quantity selector, set it to 2 as shown, or leave it at the default if that matches your needs. Then click Continue to Payment. After payment is processed, your site is upgraded, and the maximum upload file size increases automatically based on the plan you chose. Changes can take a moment to apply. If something looks unchanged, give it a minute and refresh. Even with higher limits, it's smart to optimize media so your site stays fast. Compressed images and trimmed video upload quicker and save storage. That's it. You've increased the maximum upload file size on your WordPress.com site by selecting the right plan and storage. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing.